As we close out the year, I want to take a moment to thank you. Our customers, our partners, and our incredible team have made this a year of real progress. We have strengthened our payment, automation, and risk management solutions, expanded what's possible for the organizations we serve, and continue to build with purpose. The season also reminds us why giving back matters.
This year, Datatel is focusing on youth experiencing homelessness and sponsoring a family through holiday helpers.
This season reminds us of the importance of connection, compassion, and community.
Our team is proud to support Covenant House and Holiday Helpers, helping youth and families who need it most. It's part of who we are and the impact we want to make together.
On behalf of Datatel, I just want to wish all of our customers and their families a safe and happy holiday season and all the best in 2026.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Warmest wishes for a safe and meaningful holiday season.